Did you know thieves once stole 3,000 tons of maple syrup without anyone noticing for months? In 2012, inspectors at Quebec's strategic maple syrup reserve made a shocking discovery. Thousands of barrels sat perfectly in place, but they were completely empty. For over a year, criminals had been drilling tiny holes in the bottom of containers, draining the liquid gold drop by drop. They left the barrels standing to full security checks, creating a massive ghost inventory. The operation required trucks, storage facilities, and black market buyers across North America. $18 million worth of syrup had vanished into thin air. The theft created a global shortage, sending maple syrup prices through the roof. Police uncovered an organized crime network led by Richard Valliere and 16 accomplices. They had turned Canada's sweetest treasure into the crime of the century. The heist forced authorities to completely overhaul security at maple syrup reserves. Who knew pancake topping could be worth more than gold?